Good day guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel A Plus Energy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more surprising facts about solar energy. So let's begin. Today we'll be talking about the comparison between the lithium battery and the lead acid battery wet cell. For the beginning of our comparison, we'll be starting with the lifespan. We'll be using a 17.5 kWh lithium battery for our base sample. The lithium battery comes with a 6000 cycle at 80% depth of discharge. So a user who uses an average of 300 cycles per year will own this battery for about 20 years, compared to the wet cell lead acid tubular battery. 6 units of a lead acid tubular battery would make a 17.5 kWh lithium battery. The tubular battery comes with a cycle of 1200 at a depth of discharge of 50%. So a user who uses an average of 300 cycles per year will own this battery for just 4 years. Next is the weight. For the weight, this 17.5 kWh battery weighs about 154 kg, whereas 6 units of the 220 Ah tubular battery would weigh a combined weight of about 330 kg. So the weight difference is clear, and also the lifespan. Now let's talk about storage. If you are someone who travels a lot, let's say you travel for about 6 months and you own a lithium battery. A lithium battery has a self-discharge of about 2 to 3% per month. So in 6 months, you will have lost about 12 to 18% of your total charge capacity. But a tubular battery has a self-discharge of about 10 to 12% per month. So by the time you are back from your trip, you would have lost about 48 to 60% of your total charge capacity. So for a lithium battery, you will have lost about 12 to 18% of your total charge capacity. For a tubular battery wet cell 220 Ah of that same size, you will have lost about 48 to 60% of your total charge capacity. Let's move to warranty. Different manufacturers who manufactures lithium battery has at least 10 years warranty on their batteries based on their life cycle. So you have 10 years minimum warranty on the lithium battery of any size. But for a tubular battery, you have about 1 to 2 years warranty based on their life cycle. So the next one, let's talk about maintenance. For a lithium battery, you do not need any form of maintenance throughout the lifespan of this battery, compared to a tubular battery, which needs about 2 to 3 times maintenance in a year with distilled water. Now let's go to cost. This is basically the most important point or factor to be considered. Most people are like, the lithium battery is very expensive and has high costs. But no, that is not true. Let's base our arguments on the naira per cycle, which means how much naira do you pay per cycle. For a lithium battery, you'll be paying about 240 naira per cycle, but for the tubular battery, you'll be paying about 460 naira per cycle based on their current market price and their life cycle throughout their lifespan. So lastly, let's go to aesthetics. This battery fits perfectly into the aesthetics of a beautiful home. So like I said, both batteries are good. Here I'm just trying to shed more light to the comparison between the lithium battery and the tubular battery. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.